have you been thinking about downsizing, or as we call it in the business, right-sizing? Are you thinking that you want to move, even though maybe you've been in your house for 30 plus years? Maybe you want to be closer to family, or maybe you want to do a maintenance-free house like a townhouse or a condo because you don't want to cut grass anymore, you don't want to shovel, anything like that. Or, maybe you just don't want to deal with stairs anymore. Maybe you've got questions like, is there even anything to buy? We've heard all along that, oh my gosh, there's nothing to buy out there. Or maybe you're retired and you're wondering, can I even get a mortgage if we wanted to, or if we needed to? You know what? These are all great questions. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty, and I work with homeowners all the time that have these questions, that have been in their house for a long, long time. They don't really know what the buying and selling process is today because real estate's changed a little bit. But you know what? There are houses to buy, and yes, even though you're retired, you can get a mortgage. There's a great path to sell your house and buy a new one. There's even a program where you can buy first and then sell, so you're not going to be homeless. It really takes the stress level down for this whole process. So if you've got questions, I really would love the opportunity to sit down and answer those questions for you. If you want, click the Learn More button on the ad. It'll take you right to my website. You can just put your address in there. You can get a basic evaluation of what your house is worth. But it'll also let me know that you have questions, and we can schedule a time to get together and I can answer those questions. I really appreciate you watching, and hopefully you will reach out. I'll hear from you soon. Thanks again.